Hey, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick video over to you explaining how you can generate more customers for your business. So I know you guys had sent me a link for your website, so I'm assuming that was for your website. I could not get that link to work. I tried Googling your guys' business and I couldn't find your website that way. But I just kind of wanted to get the fundamentals for what you're really looking for on a website. Just to kind of give you guys some information for some improvements. If you don't already have this stuff on there, it would really help with your guys' conversions and rankings within Google. So this is just a basic website I built out for a client here recently, but there's some important stuff on here I really wanted to show you guys. So click to call buttons are very important for your guys' conversions, meaning that if someone was searching for this on their mobile device, they're able to click on this phone number, and it's automatically going to connect that phone call. Same with this call now here button as well. Having a contact form high up on this website is also going to really help with your conversions, just because most of the time people aren't going to really scroll through your website. People are looking for whatever businesses can get out there and get them their quotes and information the fastest. So having this contact form high up in your website will definitely help with your conversions as well. And I recommend having these on every page, just so that, again, you're making that super easy for people to get a hold of your business. Obviously, you can build out your different service pages. You guys offer quite a few services. And I'm looking through your Facebook page also. It looks like you guys have quite a few services, so you could definitely build out a service page for all those different services that you guys are offering. And then the other thing I really wanted to talk to you guys about is the amount of content you have on this homepage. So there was a recent study done by Google where they looked at over 1 million different websites across multiple niches. And what they found from this study is all the top ranked sites on these niches all had at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. So really optimizing out this content as well to make sure you guys are including some of these keywords that we're going to go over here in just a second, to where when people are making these searches, you guys are the first business that's pulling up for those searches. So definitely these are the kind of things, kind of the ballpark, ground rules for what you guys really want to really help your business generate a lot of traffic through its website. So looking at keywords, this is a tool I use called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool. They do have like a $7 7-day trial, so if you guys wanted to verify any of this information, you could definitely do that. Just in a short period of time that I was looking at the home renovation side of your guys' business, just because I know that's going to generate the most amount of income for you guys. So I looked at bathroom remodel Denver, which is currently getting 350 searches per month. Basement remodel Denver, which would definitely be a big job, so it would generate a lot of income, is getting 150 searches per month. And then kitchen remodeling Denver is 150 searches per month as well. Being in the top spot for one of these keywords, you can count on getting about 33% of that search traffic headed towards your website. So there's a lot of volume here that you guys could be capturing by being in that top spot on search with your business and with your website. So the one we're going to really focus on today is bathroom remodel Denver. So looking at bathroom remodel Denver on Google, there's a couple different things we'll look at here. Everybody knows how to use Google, but not everybody fully understands exactly what they're looking at. So Google obviously does the paid ads. I don't know if you're familiar with those at all, but it is definitely an option if you are needing to get leads coming in the door right away. The one downside to paid ads is that as soon as that ad spend stops or you turn those off, the leads turn off as well. So it's that pipeline is cut off. You're going to have a much higher return on investment over time by investing in getting your business here in this 3-pack and organically ranking you here in these organic search results. So there's a couple different factors for how you can get your business into this 3-pack. Obviously, the first one is having a GMB or a 3-pack or a Google My Business page up and having it optimized. So definitely that's the first step. The next one, how you're going to get that ranked, is going to be the number of citations you have pointed towards that GMB. Your citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. So some great citation sources you can find for your business would be like Yelp and Yellow Book. These are really going to help with your guys' rankings. The more citation sources you have. Another one is actually, we're going to look at this one just as an example. Another part of this is the information you have on your GMB. So you really want to trick this thing out and get as much information on here as you guys can. So having your address, your hours you're open, your phone number, having it linked to your website. Obviously, Google reviews is huge, so the more trust you can build within this for potential customers is definitely going to help you guys out once they're looking at your GMB. And then the last thing is this description. And this description is super important because this gives you another opportunity to stuff in some of those keywords that you're trying to rank your business for. If people are searching for these keywords, having those keywords in this description is what's going to tell Google to pull you guys up for those search those search results. So those are kind of the things you want to look at for your GMB. The last thing that actually can influence if you can get your GMB into this 3-pack is your organic rankings down here. So where your website sits through here is also going to be a huge factor, and if you're going to be up here. So the first website we're going to be looking at today is Denver Bathroom Remodeling, this one right here. What we're going to be looking at here is kind of what they have going on for their website. So they don't have a lot of content on this website, so definitely doable to pass them up content-wise. We're going to head back over to Ahrefs, and this also allows me to see what's going on for the back end of their website. So there's a couple different things we're looking at here, and the first one is backlinks, and the second one is referring domains. The best way to describe what a backlink is, it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. So you have website A, or the most popular kid in school, and he's going to link himself to website B, or the least popular kid in school. And by linking himself to website B, it in turn brings up the popularity of website B and makes him look more popular in Google's eyes. So the more referring domains and backlinks you have, the better your odds are of moving into that top spot for bathroom remodeling, Denver bathroom remodeling. Another really important part of these referring domains is if they're do follow or not. And that do follow means that you're actually getting that popularity back to your website. So it is critical that they're do follow. If they're not do follow, it's great to have a backlink, but it's just not going to help your website move up in the rankings. If you have any questions on anything I went over in this, I'd love to talk to you more. Thank you.